welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's so cold here. We just drove from Frankfurt, so now we are here at Cologne, and in today's video we're gonna have a hotel review on Marriott Hotel at Cologne. It's so cold, so we're gonna quickly get inside the hotel and check in, and we're gonna have the room tour. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, it's so cold. And yeah, this is a Marriott Hotel. Gonna quickly get inside, then check in. Here we are. Smells so good. That is my first impression. This is because we arrived around 2:45 and the room is not ready yet, and the reception staff just gave us this lounge access and asked us to wait in the lounge, and once the room is ready, she will be sending a room card to us. So we're gonna check out the lounge first today. So the executive lounge is level 6. I think the food is not ready yet, but we will just get some drink. Yeah. Thinking I probably just grab some coffee. Hey guys, our room is ready and the staff is so kindly, and she has just sent us the room card. Our room number is 549, so we're gonna quickly do the room tour. Wow, it's at the corner. Here is the lovely Christmas gift from the hotel. So as usual, the cabinet, we got the bathrobes, iron board, and some clothes hangers inside it, and it's very large. Our complimentary water, 2 glasses, and this is an ice bucket, kettle, and there are some complimentary drinks here, and we got some tea and coffees inside it. In-room safe, and here is a mini fridge. It's empty there. Wow, this toilet is really big. Alrighty, we've got this large mirror and some toiletries over the side, 2 basins. Here we've got a bidet and 1 toilet, then a bathtub just right over the corner. And the brand is from these works. Alright, from this side, this is our living area. So on this side we got this working desk. Let me quickly check this drawer. It's empty inside it. And it's quite simple, isn't it? And we got a QR code just over the table, and it says like all you need to know about this hotel. You can just scan this QR code. And here we got these charging panels. On this side we got a sofa and a table right here, so basically we can change this sofa into a bed. So in this cabinet we've got some pillows and extra quilt down there. Yeah, we got more pillows here as well. Oh my god, this color, this is the first time I've ever seen a red slippers. There's no charging sockets on the wall, but luckily we've got 2 charging sockets and this Bluetooth speaker and 3 USB sockets here. Over that side we got 1 charging socket there. I think actually this room is quite spacious, but it's very simple, nothing special here. It's just very spacious room. Hey, good morning everyone. It's almost 8 in the morning and it's still like very dark outside. I'm gonna have a quick summary on my feelings for staying with the Marriott Cologne here. There's actually only one lowlight I wanted to point out. The facilities are a bit dated. The location is pretty good, so within walking, like a very easy walking distance, we can go to the Cologne Cathedral and the Rhine River and the market as well. And the room is very spacious, as you can tell from our room tour. Special shout out to the reception staff, Anna. She was super friendly and patient yesterday, and we felt very welcomed, and I had a very nice check-in experience yesterday. Also, the executive lounge here is quite good as well. So we had our dinner at the executive lounge. Food was quite delicious, and there are a variety of drinks as well. So, talking about membership benefits, as a Marriott Titanium, our room has been upgraded to a family studio. We've received our welcome gift. Also, we've got the access to the executive lounge and 2 complimentary breakfasts here. Overall, I think it's a quite nice choice to stay with the Marriott Hotel in Cologne. We're gonna pack up shortly, and we're going to our next destination. I'm hoping to see you in my next video. And thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye.